forward, Sydney. Under early pressure. Last week as well, how dangerous the Mariners are.
Yep.
Time and space on the ball. An example last week of how not to defend Perth Glory. Just incredible reactive, allowing the Mariners to use their pace down the flanks. Releasing Powell, he's got a Donovan in the middle. Support from the Glory. Gets to the byline. That can be dealt with by Matty Everett. Put across him. In the box, Baraja drifted inside as well.